Welcome to Atlas Learning. Today, we're diving into sociology, the study of society and human behavior. We'll explore how people interact, how societies function, and why understanding these patterns can help us in everyday life and future careers. We are focusing on understanding society and human behavior through the lens of sociology. What is sociology? It is the study of society, social relationships, and institutions. In simple terms, it's about understanding how humans connect with each other and the world around them. Sociology helps us make sense of everything from family dynamics to government structures. A raw fact is that sociology is a social science that systematically studies human society and social behavior. The word sociology was coined in 1838 by French philosopher Auguste Comte. This systematic study helps us understand the foundations of society. Sociology examines structures like family, education, and government. It also looks at processes such as socialization and cultural transmission, and patterns like inequality and social mobility. It breaks down society into its fundamental components for analysis. Sociologists use both qualitative and quantitative methods, including surveys, interviews, observation, and experiments to conduct their research. These methods provide the tools for gathering and analyzing social data. Unlike psychology, which studies the individual, sociology focuses on groups and social systems. This is a key distinction between the two fields. Sociology shifts the focus from the individual mind to the collective social environment. Sociologists study both the micro level, which covers daily interactions, and the macro level, which includes societal institutions and large-scale trends. This dual focus allows for a comprehensive understanding of social life. Why study sociology? It helps us understand social behavior and analyze societal trends. It also opens up careers in social work, policy, and counseling. Studying sociology gives us insights into human interactions and the patterns that shape society, impacting various professional fields. Sociology helps explain why social issues exist, such as poverty, crime, and discrimination. It can also predict behaviors and societal reactions during crises like natural disasters or pandemics. Understanding social issues and predicting societal responses are vital applications of sociology. Sociology provides tools for analyzing patterns, predicting social trends, and informing public policy. These analytical tools are crucial for shaping effective public policy and addressing social challenges. Careers utilizing sociological knowledge span research, education, social work, policymaking, counseling, and urban planning. A degree in sociology opens many doors. Learning sociology improves cultural literacy by fostering an understanding of how norms, beliefs, and traditions vary across communities. Cultural literacy is essential in our increasingly globalized world. Sociologists have historically influenced major social reforms, including child labor laws and civil rights legislation. Sociology plays a key role in driving positive social change. Major sociological theories include functionalism, which examines how society's parts work together, conflict theory, which focuses on power and inequality, symbolic interactionism concerning everyday interactions, and feminist theory, highlighting gender and social change. These theories provide different frameworks for understanding the complex nature of society. Karl Marx focused on class struggle, arguing society is divided between the bourgeoisie, the owners, and the proletariat, the workers. His ideas continue to influence modern social movements. Marx's work remains foundational to understanding economic and power dynamics. Emil Durkheim studied social cohesion, suicide, and religion, introducing concepts like anomie, or normlessness. His research demonstrated how social integration and regulation affect suicide rates. Durkheim highlighted the critical role of social forces in individual lives. Max Weber introduced Verstehen, the concept of understanding social action. He studied bureaucracy and rationalization and analyzed how religion influenced the development of capitalism. Weber's work connected cultural values to economic and political systems. In real-world applications, sociologists influence policymaking in health, education, and criminal justice. Sociological research even helped design safer urban spaces. Sociological insights directly contribute to practical improvements in community life. Community programs often rely on sociological research to accurately identify needs and rigorously assess their outcomes. Research ensures that community efforts are targeted and effective. Corporate sociologists analyze workplace culture, employee behavior, and organizational efficiency to improve business performance. Sociology offers valuable perspectives even in the corporate environment. Social network analysis, a key sociological tool, is now used across marketing, public health, and technology, influencing things like social media algorithms. This illustrates the broad application of sociological methods in modern fields. Sociology also helps organizations understand diversity and inclusion. By doing so, it reduces conflict and significantly improves collaboration in the workplace. Promoting diversity and inclusion is a vital role of applied sociology. In summary, sociology studies society, uses theories to explain patterns, and has practical applications in careers and social change.